Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue where your SSD or SDD not showing in your Windows PC or even in disk management. Let's fix it guys. In the basic step, I suggest you to disconnect your SSD or SDD from your current system and then attach it to someone else's PC to make sure that your SSD cables are working properly. Secondly, if you have more than one SSD port, try to switch your port and then check in your disk management or in your system that SSD is started showing or not. If this failed to work, then let's move on to the second solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings, select Windows Update, click on check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. By updating your system driver will be automatically updated, which help you to fix the issue of SSD not showing guys. After doing this, next you need to change the BIOS menu. Just go ahead over to the BIOS menu by pressing the BIOS key. I will share the key for the different system in the description of this video. Simply tap the BIOS key to enter into the BIOS menu of your system. In BIOS menu, you just need to find the option of either system configuration or storage option or system configuration. Depending on the type of system you have, you may find one of these options over there. You will find SATA operation from there. If you have enabled AHCI mode, then you need to switch it to IDE compatibility mode guys. However, if you already choose an IDE compatibility mode, you need to switch to ASCI mode over here. After switching, you just need to save the changes by pressing the F10 key and then go ahead and restart your PC. Hopefully this will fix the issue of SSD not showing in our disk management. If this also fail, then let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select device manager. Select the view tab and select show hidden devices. Now in here you just need to expand the disk drives. Here you can able to see all the disk drives are available. You need to make sure if there is any exclamatory mark next to the disk drive, you need to right click on the drive and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers, and after doing this, close it off here. Hopefully the yellow exclamatory mark will be removed, which will help you to fix out the issue of SSD not showing in your disk management. Nextly, you just need to scroll down, expand the storage controllers section, and again if there is any exclamatory sign available right over here, you need to proceed to the same process. Just right click on it and select update driver, select search automatically for driver. After doing this, don't forget to restart your PC guys. This will fix the issue of SSD not showing in your disk management. However, if this also fails, then let's move on to the fourth solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. In view by two small icons and search here, we just need to search manage MANAGE storage ST or O storage space. Comes up storage spaces, click on manage storage spaces. Sometimes the new SSD that you are connected automatically create new storage space, which is stand into not showing in our disk management or in our system. From here, if any storage space is available, simply you just need to click on the particular storage space and choose the option delete. Right now in my system there is no storage space available. That's the option to delete the storage space is not available. Now if this method fails, let's move on to the final solution guys. You just need to close it off here, go to search menu and type cmd, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select as. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. You just need to copy it and paste in here one by one and list volume, paste it copy it and paste it. After pasting list volume, now in here you need to select the volume of your external HDD by checking the size of it. For example, at my end it is volume 3, which is around 111 GB of space. Make sure you choose the correct volume problematic SSD, else you will end up losing of your primary. I just need to check my video description for this select volume. You just need to change the number of the disk over here. In my case, the disk is volume 3 D disk. I just need to change it to 3. I'm just changing it. I just need to copy it. After that, just paste with Ctrl V and press enter. Now the volume 3 is selected, guys. Now you just need to copy the next command and paste it, guys. Copy with the Ctrl C and paste with the Ctrl V. And the last command exit. You just need to wait this to get 100%, and after that paste it, press enter. After finishing this exit, you just need to close it off here. Now you just need to right click on the start icon and select disk management. The drive will be shown in here, guys. You just need to right click on the drive and you just need to select the change drive letter and paths over here. And now in here either click on the option add if drive is not available, else select change. Now you just need to click on this drop down and give any letter other than A B C D. I'm gonna give it K. After that click on OK, click on S, and after doing this, and now open the file explorer and your drive will be successfully available, guys. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.